Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your daily schedule using Google Sheets. So to make it easier for you to create a daily schedule, you can just use a template from Google Sheets. So first you can just open this page, docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and here this page will be open, and you can just go to the template gallery, and under the personal section there will be a schedule template, this one's right here. So when you click on this template, so there will be this daily schedule template that you can modify based on your own schedule. Here you can change, for example, the date. So currently it's on September 4. So I'm going to change it. Click on this. I'm going to change it into, sorry, for example, this date, 13 June. Click on enter. And you can see the date under it will follow. It will change accordingly. Here you can also change the starting clock. For example, I'm going to change it into 7, like this, and here you can fill in the schedule. Wake up, go to work, for example, breakfast, go to work, and others. You can just fill in this schedule based on your own schedule, and if you want to, you can add notes in here and to-do list in here. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thing.